Okay, first hike of 2025. It is the 2nd of January, and I thought I'd start the year as I mean to go on and do something epic, and that is the Langdale Pikes hike. So I've just set off. Look at this day. This is like the perfect, like the dream hiking conditions day. It's cold, it's sunny, sadly no snow on the tops, but I'm gonna go tackle the Langdale Pikes via Jack's Rake. It's a big route, this one. It's a 7 to 8 mile route, depending on which routes that I found. This is one that I'm using on OS Maps, and I'll link the route in the video description if you want to follow it too. 2,597 foot of ascent, so big day. This is so much fun. These views. Just one thing, if you do this, just remember to always have 3 points of contact. If you remember anything from this video, I always kind of test out the rock or the stone wherever I'm putting my foot and make sure I've got a really good grip with both of my hands. So just remember that, and just take it steady, take your time. And also, don't do it with a camera in your hand, because it's probably not the safest thing to do. But this is so much fun, I love it. So, quick break to talk about the inspiration for today's hike, and that is this book. This is the Peak Bagging Wainwright's book. This book has 45 circular routes all around the Lake District that you can complete in order to complete all 214 Wainwright fells. This is how I found today's hike. So, color-coded on the side here, you've got northern, western, eastern, southern fells. I knew I was going to be based central, so I went to the central fells, and I found the Langdale Pikes, and that's how I chose what hike to do today. I'm doing another one out of here tomorrow. I'm doing the Skiddaw circular route that it has in here as well, so come back and check that video out. It literally has the distance, the ascent, the latitude and longitude, has custom timings based on whether you're a walker, trekker, trail runner. I often just end up doing the same routes because there's too much choice and I sometimes get overwhelmed and just do the same routes. So this is going to be my inspiration for 2025. I'm going to tick off as many of these as possible, and if you're looking to do the same, I've managed to get a 25% discount code that you can use, which takes this down from £22 down to £16.50. It's PBW25, and I'll share the link and the code in the video description. So this is perfect if you are looking to complete the Wainwrights Challenge. This is a perfect book to guide you through it, or if you're just looking for some inspiration for hikes in the lakes, or if you're looking to buy an outdoorsy lover a great gift, this would be it. So go check this out. I'll share all of the info in the video description, and happy hiking. Look at that. So heading up. Whoa. Oh my god, there are sharp icicles hanging everywhere. Need to be careful of those. If you're scared of heights, this might not be the one for you, because look at this right now. Hi Mom. I'm going to put the camera away and do this last little gully, but here it is, up here, and I'll check in once I get to the top. Oh, the adrenaline got me a little bit on that. Wow. There's one or two bits that I was like, just don't fall, just don't slip. It's always a little bit scary when you're on your own, because you're just like, if I fall, there's just no one here to help me, but that's part of the adventure, isn't it? It's part of the experience. I'm on the last little bit of ascent up now. Some of this bit has just been like really exposed. I definitely wouldn't do this if you're not really experienced at scrambling or heights or exposure, because there's been maybe 2 or 3 moments where I've just been a bit like, oh, and I've like just taken a breath. Otherwise I like freeze and start freaking out. Like most of it is great. There's just been a couple of bits that I found a little bit sketchy. But so far so good. Pretty sure this is the last little bit and I should be up on the top with all these views. Ah, my gloves. Ugh. Ow, I just used my elbows then because I'm filming. I think we're nearly there. I think I've made it. Steps. Woo! I did it. Jack's Rake. All by myself. I'm gonna put a coat back on because it is cold and I'm just checking my map. But I'm 2 hours, 45 minutes in, 2.4 miles, 2,035 foot of ascent. I've still got so much of the route to do. I'm like not even, maybe like a quarter of the way in. But I think that's the hardest part done, I hope. I'm tired. I'm like racing now because 2 hours of light left. I haven't eaten my lunch because I don't like eating when it's cold, because all your food is just cold and hard and doesn't taste like anything. So I'm hungry and tired and cold and I don't have energy, but I'm having a great day. I'm having a great time. I'm just also all of those things. Oh, it was way too windy and cold at the top of there. I tried to set my tripod up to get a shot, but it was not happening. Just can't get over how beautiful it is up here. It's like a sunset, frosty winter wonderland. I wish I had like 5 more hours of daylight and I could just hang around up here. If it wasn't so cold, this would be so boggy. Thankfully, it's frozen. Oh no. I don't want to sink in a bog when I'm by myself. That's not how I want to go out. That's like a genuine fear of mine. Just take one wrong step and just sink and disappear in the deepest bog and no one ever knows where you ever went. Right, I think I found the thing I'm heading for. Says pile of stones. I don't know if you can see that. Pile of stones, which I think is there. There's like some kind of building and a load of stones. So I think that's where it then starts to head down. Go on the home straight. Hilarious though, my water in my reservoir, my water bladder has frozen, even like the end bit, complete ice. That's how cold it is today. These have been a lifesaver. These huge gloves with hand warmers in them have been an absolute lifesaver today. I think I'd be crying if I didn't have those. Even now, just taking my hands out for like 30 seconds. So cold, painful. So winter hiking, big gloves. Honestly, just pack them. If Jack's Rake, if that scramble is a bit too scary for you, you can avoid that. You can find a different route that doesn't go up that and you just kind of go around. So don't let that put you off if you watch that bit and you thought like, nope. But yeah, thank you for watching. First video of 2025. There are going to be so many more to come. It would really mean a lot if you could click subscribe. I know it takes a couple seconds. It would really help to support what I'm doing and my adventures, and means that you'll get a notification when I post other videos in future as well, so you'll be able to see those. But yeah, thank you so much. Also, I do post other bits of my adventures on Instagram and TikTok, which is also Grace's Adventures. So I appreciate any support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna head down. Oh. I made it back. Oh my goodness. Finished on 6 hours and 9 minutes, 9.2 miles, 2,724 foot of ascent. Oh, what an absolute amazing day. That was so good. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go shower and sleep. Best hiking day ever.